Good morning. I, Salim, welcome you all in the data-driven industry application with LabVIEW and MySQL. So basically in this course, we just integrate MySQL with LabVIEW, or you can say we just program or we can just generate queries using LabVIEW for MySQL. So over here, introduction. What are data-driven industry applications? The impact of data on industry, key benefits of data-driven application. Like data-driven industry applications rely on data analysis to improve industrial processes, increase efficiency, optimize design decision making. With the increasing importance of data in many industry, like in biomedical industry, in robotics industry, in healthcare industry, we just capture, manage and analyze data to improve their processes. We can optimize different processes based on the data. Key benefits. Some potential benefits of data-driven industry application include increased efficiency, reduced downtime, better decision making, and improved product quality. Here is a LabVIEW introduction. It is a powerful industry tool. You just drag and drop, easy to learn, easy to use. It is more hardware friendly. No need to any driver. Basically, it will create or it will have free drivers with all the hardwares. There are some benefits of graphical GUI based programming language. You just drag and drop your component and use it. If you have just a logic in your mind, you just implement using LabVIEW. There is no need of text based programming, or you just not need to go with syntax to learn or recognize or remember different syntax in the case of like Python, in the case of like C language, etc. You can create your real world examples with LabVIEW. In the case of MySQL, you just grab the data, or you can say we have the data on the server, local server or global server, or you can say it is cloud based server. Then we just create queries using LabVIEW. In this case, we just need not to go with the MySQL queries. Okay, you just create different application for industry using these particular integration of LabVIEW with MySQL. So here are some benefits of data acquisition. You can realize your data in a more better or appropriate way using the LabVIEW software with the help of SQL data, MySQL data. So integration legacy, use custom driven libraries to enable communication between LabVIEW and MySQL. Real-time data processing is there. Secure data and data protection is also available in this case. There are some case studies: optimizing wind turbine performance, quality control in pharmaceutical manufacturing, monitoring energy consumption of a particular building. You can go with this particular part or this particular course. Conclusion: the power of LabVIEW and MySQL, we can go with this. It is data-driven industry application offering real-time processing, data acquisition and analysis capabilities. And the future, as the technology advances, new opportunities emerge. The use of LabVIEW and MySQL in the industry will continue to grow, enabling business to optimize process and make data-driven decisions. Optimize decisions. We can go with this. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you.